Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly to filter out the crap you put in. But if you're shoveling in processed garbage and neglecting these vital organs, you're in for a rude awakening. It's time to give your kidneys the respect they deserve with a bloody good cleanse. We're talking fresh, vibrant ingredients that'll have them singing your praises. Get ready to transform your diet and give your kidneys the 5-star treatment they deserve. Right, you lot, let's start with the basics. Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body, tirelessly working to filter out waste and toxins. But they need your help to function at their best. Water is the lifeblood of your kidneys, acting like a pressure washer for all that gunk you've accumulated. Imagine it as a powerful stream that washes away all the impurities, keeping your kidneys clean and efficient. Dehydration is like letting the dishes pile up, a recipe for disaster. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys can't do their job properly, and the toxins start to build up. You need to be chugging down water like your life depends on it, because frankly it does. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health, and your kidneys are no exception. Aim for 8 glasses a day, you hear? That's the bare minimum. If you're active or live in a hot climate, you might need even more. Listen to your body and keep that water flowing. Think of it as flushing out the toxins and giving your kidneys a refreshing shower. Every sip of water helps to cleanse your system and keep everything running smoothly. And don't even think about reaching for those sugary sodas. They're the enemy. Sugary drinks can lead to kidney stones and other issues, so it's best to avoid them altogether. Stick to pure, clean H2O, and your kidneys will thank you for it. Now get to it. Make water your best friend, and your kidneys will reward you with years of faithful service. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in keeping your body healthy and happy. Now, let's talk about cranberries, those tiny little powerhouses that pack a serious punch. These vibrant red berries are not just a festive holiday decoration. They are a nutritional dynamo that can play a crucial role in maintaining your health. You see, these tart little gems are your secret weapon against those pesky urinary tract infections. UTIs can be incredibly uncomfortable and disruptive, but cranberries have a unique ability to help keep them at bay. They contain a special something that stops those nasty bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract, like a non-stick pan for your insides. This special something is called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. PACs prevent bacteria, particularly E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the likelihood of infection. And a healthy urinary tract means happy kidneys. Your kidneys are vital organs that filter waste from your blood and regulate fluid balance. Keeping your urinary tract free from infections helps your kidneys function optimally. So, ditch the sugary cranberry juice cocktails and go for the real deal. Unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh cranberries. The added sugars in many commercial cranberry juices can negate the health benefits, so it's best to opt for the purest form. You can add them to smoothies, salads, or even munch on a handful for a tart and tangy treat. Cranberries are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner and even desserts. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing cranberry smoothie or adding a burst of flavor to your lunchtime salad. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you for the delightful zing. Trust me, your kidneys will be doing a little dance of joy with every bite. Not only will you be enjoying a delicious treat, but you'll also be taking a proactive step towards better urinary health. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some cranberries and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Now, who doesn't love a bit of color on their plate? A vibrant array of fruits and vegetables not only looks appealing, but also packs a punch of nutrients that are essential for our health. And when it comes to kidney health, red bell peppers are a shining star. These bright, crunchy veggies are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your kidneys. These vibrant veggies are low in potassium, which is music to the ears of your kidneys. Potassium is a mineral that our bodies need, but too much of it can be harmful, especially for those with kidney issues. You see, too much potassium can be a real pain for struggling kidneys, so it's all about balance, you hear? Managing potassium intake is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing complications. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. Red bell peppers are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes to add a burst of flavor without compromising on health. Red bell peppers are bursting with vitamins and antioxidants, adding a delicious sweetness to your dishes. These nutrients help fight inflammation and support overall health, making them a fantastic addition to any meal. Roast them, stuff them, or toss them in a salad. The possibilities are endless. You can get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different recipes to find your favorite way to enjoy these kidney-friendly veggies. Get creative and give your kidneys a flavor sensation they won't forget. By incorporating red bell peppers into your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also taking a step towards better kidney health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some red bell peppers and start experimenting with delicious kidney-friendly recipes. Don't turn your nose up at cabbage. You hear me? This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients that'll send those toxins packing. We're talking about phytonutrients, the unsung heroes of the vegetable world. These little beauties work their magic by breaking down harmful substances in your body, giving your kidneys a much-needed break. Think of cabbage as your trusty sous chef, quietly working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. Shred it for a slaw, roast it with some herbs and spices, or add it to soups and stews for a nutritional boost. Now, let's talk about garlic, the ingredient that can make or break a dish. And when it comes to your kidneys, it's a definite game changer. This pungent bulb is a natural anti-inflammatory, calming things down and reducing stress on your kidneys. Plus, it helps keep that blood pressure in check, which is essential for healthy kidney function. Don't be shy with the garlic, folks. Add it to sauces, marinades, or roast it whole with vegetables for a flavor explosion. Your taste buds and your kidneys will be singing your praises. Cauliflower, the chameleon of the vegetable world, is a kidney's best friend. This versatile veggie is a triple threat, loaded with vitamin C, folate, and fiber, all working in perfect harmony to support your kidneys. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your kidneys. Folate helps to keep those kidneys functioning like a well-oiled machine. And fiber? Well, it's like a scrub brush for your digestive system, helping to eliminate waste and keep things moving along. So, get creative with cauliflower. Roast it, rice it, mash it. The possibilities are endless. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so they say. But did you know that apples are also a boon for your kidneys? These crunchy delights are packed with fiber, which we already know is essential for a happy gut and healthy kidneys. Plus, they contain anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce stress on your kidneys. So, reach for an apple as a snack, add it to your breakfast, or bake it into a delicious dessert. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Berries, those little jewels of the fruit world, are bursting with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off damage from harmful free radicals. And guess what? Your kidneys are particularly vulnerable to this damage. So loading up on antioxidants is crucial. Whether you prefer blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or a mix of all of them, make sure to include a variety of berries in your diet. Add them to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a sweet and healthy snack. Now let's talk about fish, the darling of the health world, and for good reason. Fatty fish, like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy heart and healthy kidneys. These healthy fats help to reduce inflammation throughout your body, taking the pressure off your kidneys. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the benefits. Grill it, bake it, or pan fry it. The choice is yours. Finally, let's talk about olive oil, the liquid gold that's been prized for its health benefits for centuries. This heart-healthy oil is also a boon for your kidneys. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help to lower blood pressure and reduce stress on your kidneys. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, providing an extra layer of protection for these vital organs. So, ditch those unhealthy processed oils and make olive oil your go-to choice for cooking and dressing your salads. Your kidneys will thank you for it. There you have it, you lot. A crash course in kidney cleansing foods that'll have your body singing your praises. Remember, your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your health, working tirelessly behind the scenes. It's time to show them some love and give them the fuel they need to thrive. So ditch the processed crap, embrace fresh, whole foods, and watch your health transform. Now go forth and conquer.